Welcome back. Let's do question 282. Given this sigma notation here with the general term, if this series is equal to 520 over 3, determine the value of x. Right, in the previous question, we said that this is our general term. The expression in front of the sigma notation is your general term. And we managed to find T1 and T2. We said T1 is equal to 108 times 2 over 3 to the power 1 is equal to 72. And then T2 is equal to 108 times 2 over 3 squared is equal to, we got 48. Now we want to find x. We're finding the sum of this series, and then this series is geometric if you check. And our common ratio is 2 over 3. If you say 48 divided by 72, you see you get 2 over 3. Or just get your T3. Right, how do you see that it is geometric? Just look at the general term. You see that there is a ratio here and the exponent there. Okay, or you can even find your T3. Let's just do that, which is 108 times 2 over 3 cubed is equal to 32. And then if you say 32 divided by 48, 32 divided by 48, then 48 divided by 72, you see that this is equal to 2 over 3, which is the R. Now let's use the geometric series formula. So we have Sn is equal to A R to the power n minus 1 over R minus 1, where R cannot be equal to 1. Because if R is equal to 1, this thing becomes undefined. We substitute into our equation. This is our Sn, 520 over 3 is equal to A is 72, T1, 72, then R is 2 over 3, 2 over 3, n minus 1. All this over 2 over 3 minus 1. If you check the x that you are looking for here is the n. So if you find n, we have found our x. Let's deal with this. What is 2 over 3 minus 1? That is negative 1 over 3. So it's 520 over 3 is equal to 72. Then 2 over 3 to the power n minus 1. All this over negative 1 over 3. So someone can say 72 divided by negative 1 over 3 is still okay. But I decided to multiply with this denominator. So I multiply with this denominator. To get rid of the denominator, multiply by it. So I multiply 520 over 3 times negative 1 over 3. And then what we get? We get 520, negative 520 over 9 is equal to 72. And then 2 over 3 to the power n minus 1. And then what can we do here? Divide by 72 on both sides of the equation. Divide by 72 on both sides of the equation. So if you divide 520 over 9 divided by 72, you'll get negative 65 over 81. Okay, please do that with your calculator. And then is equal to, now we've divided by 72 on both sides. So it means on the right hand side we remain with 2 over 3 to the power n minus 1. And then what do we do after this? We add 1 both sides, or we transpose, becomes plus 1. Negative 65 over 81 plus 1. You get 16 over 81 is equal to 2 over 3 to the power n. Okay, so from here you can use the laws of exponents or even the logarithmic form. You can change from exponential form to logarithmic form. Let's start with the laws of exponents. This is 16 is 2 to the power 4. 81 is 3 to the power 4. So this is like 2 over 3 to the power 4 is equal to 2 over 3 to the power n. Now the bases are equal, therefore the exponents are equal. So therefore n is equal to 4, meaning that x is equal to 4. Remember, I said that this x is our n. So if you want to use the logarithmic form, you can say this is the subject of the formula. N is equal to log base 2 over 3. Then the number would be 16 over 81. Put this in the calculator, and then you get your 4. So n is equal to 4, therefore x is equal to 4.